So I shot all this footage probably 2 years ago now. It's not the greatest footage, all captured on GoPro in the garage at my house. The lighting's bad, the audio's bad. Most of it's just time-lapse video. The easiest thing for me to do while I was actually working on the car. I've got a ton of content. I figured I'd put it all together and share it with you for you to see. The build started off as a 93 1275 Mini. It was in decent condition overall. Needed a little bit of refurbishment, but the body was straight. There was very little rust on it. And as you'll see in the mini part series here, basically tore it down all the way down to a shell, cleaned it up, put it all back together, and Wendy, as she became known as, turned out as a pretty good example as an iconic British Mini when we were all done with it. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, let me know. If not, still let me know. Today begins it all. We're going to start building the Mini. Alright, it's 41 degrees outside, but the garage is a beautiful 88 degrees, 87 degrees, because of that nice heater up there. This is what's left over from yesterday. Alright, get going here.